Hi guys and gals, Froggy here, and I have out on my mountain bike almost at the end of my ride, and there's this hot air balloon coming right overhead. So let's zoom in on him. He's really like right overhead. I'll just go down for a minute. That's the right away power lines where I ride. And there he is. He may be 500 feet over me. Waving, waving, ha ha ha, waving. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Having fun. Let me turn around the other way. Here he comes. Yeah, right overhead now. Can't even see anybody over the edge because they're right directly overhead. Maybe somebody will pop out. Oh, you can see the flame. I can see the flame anyway. He's burning some gas to get a little altitude. Very nice. More gas burning. So maybe coming in for a landing. They do take off and land around the North County in various different places, and he's so low, I'm thinking he might be at the end of his flight, and maybe certainly he wanted to get over these power lines. It looks like there might be 2, 3, 4, 5 people in the basket. There they go. They're gonna go behind that palm tree. And it's, what is it, it's Friday, is it the last day of July, first day of August? One of those two. There he goes. Let me move a little bit, maybe I can catch some more of them. Yeah, I just moved a little to get out from behind that palm tree. I see him burn a few more times, so he's not quite ready to come down. And from what little I know about them, they go up and down in altitude trying to find winds so that the wind will carry them in the direction that they want to actually go. Because at different altitudes, the winds will blow slightly different directions. He's gonna go behind there. Sorry for the shaking. I'm just standing on top of my bike, not on top of it, but one leg on each side, and probably got about 10, 20 more seconds of him, and then he's going to get too far away for me to film. But hey, that's pretty cool. Not about do-it-yourself, fixing your car or anything like that, but just a little something different from Froggy. Give me a thumbs up or like if this if you enjoy this. Subscribe to my channel if you want more. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. See you later, hot air balloon. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's gone. Bye-bye.